जो आईआईटी बाबा जी ने जिनसे साधना ली है या फिर उसकी कितनी ज़्यादा सच्चाई है, आज हम वो जानेंगे। तो
IIT Baba, I have come across him.
No. We are interested
Let me begin with the
Okay,
beginning. That's
sure,
what
sure.
public is interested in.
Okay.
So it's fully genuine. A lot of rumors are going around. Don't believe any of that. I have spent 40 days with him. Then later on, he expressed a desire to stay with me in my room. So I kept him in my room. किसी के पास जा रहे हैं क्या इंटरव्यू करने? आप उल्टा फिल्म स्टार के पास जाके संत का क्वेश्चन पूछोगे, संत के पास आके बॉलीवुड पूछे तो मैं क्या बताऊँ?
Let me introduce.
We were together for 30 days in Kashi. Nothing happened, not a single interview. But when he came here, he said, "आपका मनोकामना पूरी हो जाएगा." तो same day he became viral. Maybe Hollywood. Why Bollywood? Why be my bless you? Go to Hollywood soon. बस हो गया. जय हो गया.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel and welcome to all new exclusive episode of महाकुंभ. And मेरे आज के एपिसोड में एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा composed, calm and composed बाबा जी है, जो अभी हम सभी जितने भी हैं आईआईटी बाबा एंड जो मतलब हम उनके बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं. बट द थिंग इज़ जो एक्चुअल संत है, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट देम ऑफ कोर्स. सो द थिंग इज़ दैट कि आज मैं जो आईआईटी बाबा जी ने जिनसे साधना ली है या फिर उसकी कितनी ज़्यादा सच्चाई है, आज हम वो जानेंगे. तो बाबा जी प्रणाम. ओम नमो नारायण. ओम नमो नारायण. आज मैंने ये बोला सीख गई.
वेरी गुड.
तो बाबा जी पहले तो हम आपका थोड़ा सा परिचय.
Can I give you in English?
Yeah, sure.
Because I am from down south.
Okay,
so
okay.
Hindi there might be mistakes.
No,
I can speak
of
well,
course.
but
it's
going
okay,
to public. I know many viewers are interested in our IIT Baba. I have come across him.
No.
Let me begin with the beginning.
Okay,
That's
sure,
what
sure.
public is interested in.
Okay.
तो वो उन्होंने 40 दिन पहले मेरे से मिले हैं. मैं उसमें I have seen a true seeker in him. I have seen already is raising. So what I said is, I sat next to him. I did not disturb him. And the gods of Ganga, if I remember rightly, as he got. Then later on, he expressed a desire to meet little bada sant or whatever you call different sons and all. I have introduced him to some of the sons in Kashi जो मामूली दिखते नहीं हैं आपको. उनका एड्रेस नहीं है, नाम नहीं है, वो दिखेंगे नहीं है. वो गुप्त साधना होता है. थोड़ा बड़ा टाइप का साधना में जो रहते, they live in camouflage, like your intelligence people move in different. They look like beggars, they look like all that, but they are in some other state. So our man has gone to them and they have there welcoming him itself shows that he is blessed, divinely blessed. He is on the path. He is on the path. Hurdles will come. Hurdles will come. Many hurdles will. Because what is happening here is he has entered a different world, a practical aspect of it. Otherwise, he was only connected with theory, IIT subject, and then his intention of integrating into Sanatana, whatever books he has read. The actual practice that is required is, he has also taken certain amount of short-term courses, as far as what he told me. And it is there, it is visible, he is not alive. He is as genuine as we are all sitting here. That much. He is fully genuine. A lot of rumors are going around. Don't believe any of that. I have spent 40 days with him. Then later on, he expressed a desire to stay with me in my room. So I kept him in my room.
Did he take any kind of sadhana from you?
No, he has not taken. Because I have already understood the day I met him, he required something higher level. So I have introduced there.
Okay.
So if suppose you go to a school, they ask you, according to your level, they will put you on class 7 or class 2. Not necessarily the primary school, then they will tell you, you are already beyond primary school, you go to high school. That used to be before. Nowadays, date of birth and things have changed, right off from olden memory.
Okay. So what I stood so far is that he is already in the path and you are just talking about him only. But I genuinely I want to know about you, sir. If you allow me to tell us something about you.
समथिंग अबाउट मी. तो अभी मैं बताता हूँ. वो पिछला जो भी हो गया, बचपन कहाँ है, ये कहाँ है. आप सब लोग इतना जर्नलिज्म करके, इतना पढ़ लिख के, इतना अच्छा इक्विपमेंट वगैरह ला के, एक वी आर डूइंग ए बेसिक वर्क मिस्टेक, दैट इज़ यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर होमवर्क. आप या किसी के पास जा रहे हैं क्या इंटरव्यू करने? आप उल्टा फिल्म स्टार के पास जाके संत का क्वेश्चन पूछोगे, संत के पास आके बॉलीवुड पूछे तो मैं क्या बताऊँ?
Let me introduce himself that he is actually ex. Am I correct?
Partially. Air Force, Army, you are mixing Air Force, Army, Navy. Indian defense is divided into 3 categories. You have mixed 2 of them, no problem. They all work together. Okay. No
so
issues.
He's an army officer, I can tell.
Yeah, he is a defense person is more appropriate.
The defense person. Okay. So you have actually served our nation. That is what actually the point like I want to highlight.
No, I have not done anything. I have never done any service at all. That is the fate. As for the fate, individual moves. It's not that it happens, we decide. You tell me since morning how many things are happening according to your decision. But still you plan. You have to do it. That's your job.
Yeah.
But not, so I'll speak from some point of view. Okay. You ask me from journalist point of view. No problem. Because I have got nothing to do with the world much. यार all these things क्या करूँगा मैं? तो ऐसा है ये अपने भाग्य के हिसाब से होता है. जैसा बोलते हैं ना जिसका हाथ में धन रखा है धन मिलेगा, राजा रखा है राजा बनेगा. वैसा संन्यास योग है तो सबसे बड़ा योग भगवान को जानने का उसका हाथ में है तो बनेगा. इसीलिए उसको महाराजा कहते हैं. ये देवज्ञान भाई क्यों महाराजा? उसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए और सब और चाहिए तो फिर वो नहीं है. फिर आप बोलेंगे आप लोग भी कभी कभी दक्षिणा देते हो. वो हमारा ईगो कम करने के लिए इट्स एन एक्सरसाइज. सो व्हेन यू गो एंड बैक ईगो विल कम डाउन.
Okay.
अब हमारे पास I'll tell you, I have millionaires and maybe billionaires also. Even they go begging. You know why? To reduce the ahankar.
To reduce the ahankar.
हाँ नहीं तो कहाँ? You will think I am. Bhiksham Dehi is part of our life. Six times we are supposed to beg only 6 houses. कुछ में जो मिला खाओ, नहीं मिला छोड़ दो. 6 भी continuous नहीं. पहले वाला दे दिया समझो, बाकी 5 में जाना नहीं. ये जो दिया वही है.
Is it part of your routine?
Not routine. These are all different exercises.
This is exercises that you have to follow.
These are all the things that come under the path. पाथ में ये सब होते हैं और इसी वजह से जैसा कॉन्शियसनेस रेज होता है लाइक अपना AIT बाबा जैसा उनको बड़ा संतों की ये जरूरत पड़ती है. He has no guru. His only problem is he has no guru. तो our guru was kind enough to give him blessings. We were together for 30 days in Kashi. Nothing happened. Not a single interview. But when he came here, he said आपका मनोकामना पूरी हो जाएगा. तो same day he became viral. There was 150 journalists here. That is his power. That is not mine. I have done only a sort of guiding, a small mentoring I have done, whatever I could.
Okay,
so that's all. Nothing much. It's not deeply related. I am impressed. He is fine because the kind of Ashirwads and the kind of pujas I got him done with myself. I know they are more than government assurance. Uttarab, because these are assurance from the upper government. Which governs the whole universe. So he will be safe wherever he is. He will go where his destiny is written. And you will find him in much higher places.
Or maybe nobody knows. You know, I have not asked you the actually thing which I wanted to, but you know, you have actually
please ask me.
Everything.
No, please
but I really wanted to know that, sir, you have actually served our nation in
We
some or the other aspect.
That's all mistake. Nobody serves. His desire is to join army. This is a desire. It is not service, it is a desire.
That was the desire.
The desire has taken him. Your desire to become journalist, you became. And you look more like a film star. Tomorrow you may go to Bollywood also. Or maybe Hollywood. Why Bollywood? Why be my bless you go to Hollywood soon. Bas ho gaya. Jai ho gaya baba.
No, that really means a lot. It really means a lot, and I really appreciate all the time actually you gave us. And you know, it's my pleasure meeting you, sir.
Okay.
And you know, you have actually said everything which I wanted to ask you. But you know, it is all okay. But we really want to know that the Sant life. How will you like just before it's not into the camera, but just before we were discussing that let's talk about some spiritual stuff. So I want to know about that. What is that feeling actually? I genuinely want to know that. Because you know, some other aspect. If at all I'm not at all connected with Shiva or spiritual.
Yes. Okay, fine. And now I tell you. See, most of the time, right from birth, we go through a systems and get conditions. The brain starts working that way.
Yeah.
when it expands for some reason, either it is हम लोग उसको कर्मा कहते हैं, उसका ब्रह्म लिखित और गुरु कृपा और भगवान का कृपा डायरेक्ट जो भी तुम साथ लेके आए हो पूरे जन्म का, उसका कृपा से क्या होता है, it starts expanding, it won't be visible. So at that time what happens, the ज्ञान happens. It has got nothing to do with IIT. तो वो क्या होता है, मगर उस टाइम में वो भगवान का फीलिंग आ गया तो he will try to synthesize. Nowadays it has become a new buzzword, science and Sanatana were synthesizing. You cannot synthesize two things which are क्या बोलते हैं, diagonally opposite. How diagonally opposite science and Sanatana? I am actually talking opposite to what he is talking.
Okay.
See, how बोले तो Sanatana is included everything. One.
Yes.
It doesn't belong to anybody or anything, any religion. Sanatana is eternal, infinitesimal. उसमें जो है सब उसमें है, तो उसमें से अलग निकाल के उसके बारे में कैसा लिखेगा? नहीं, it's not possible. Fetus cannot think about mother, father, all those things. It did not know. We are like fetuses living in. वो कृष्णा मुंह खोल के दिखाता तो वहाँ को पूरा ब्रह्मांड दिखता है ना. That, so your mind will expand that much. So you remember Stephen Hawkins? He has written about astronomy so well, so much. He was actually paraplegic. He cannot talk. He cannot walk. How? He went into that frequency of bhakti.
Yeah, that's
whether he knows it or not. Whether you know it or not, knowingly or unknowingly, you touch fire, you'll get burned.
Of course,
Similarly, it happens. Because like your deposit gets matured, this life you may not be much into God, you may not be going to your religious place, whatever it is. But maybe in previous life you have done something that maturity happens today, so then it will happen. It can happen in a fraction of a second.
Yeah, actually.
कुंभ में आने का वो भी कारण होता है, because many संत जो हिमालय से आते हैं, most of Juna Akhada people, those who are doing extreme sadhanas, they are not permitted to come down below 14,000 feet of Himalayas. So they have permission only to come in Kumbh. So अभी कुंभ में आए वो लोग. So their brain is frozen. -35 में रहते हो तो brain इतना है ना, इतना हो जाता है. अभी गर्मी में आके थोड़ा थोड़ा था हो रहा है. You do not know what happens. They go through hell. But they have the capacity to withstand hellfires. Okay. To reach God, you have to crawl through hellfires. So that's why they behave sometimes, differently. वो difference को आप कभी बोलते हैं दिमाग का संतुलन खराब हो गया, नहीं पागल हो गया, नहीं तो ये वो आप आपका भाषा में कुछ भी लेबू लगाओ यार, जो हो रहा है सच जो मैं जानता हूँ from my own experience. I did a small, I had a good fortune because of my Gurudev's blessings. I have done some cave sadhanas for quite some time in Himalayas.
Okay, done that.
So I am talking from my. I don't speak anything which I have not experienced because it is pure words. Any parrot can do that. Why should I do it?
Exactly. So you have done all of these things and still you are so calm and composed. You're living here and meeting you is my blessing actually. So I really want to take...
Everybody has done something. Yeah. Everyone in ropes, if he is on a right path. There is nothing like right path, wrong path. Everything is path is path.
Their path is their path, and
all paths lead to only one place.
And I believe in universe actually. I believe in that alignments. I believe in, there is some power. And what is that? That I'm actually still finding, and I'm still an agnostic girl.
Try it, no, taste it. See, अब आप 10 रुपए के साबुन के लिए आप पहला इस्तेमाल करो, फिर विश्वास करो. अब भगवान को कम से कम 10 रुपए साबुन का भाव दो, इस्तेमाल करो, थोड़ा बहुत इस्तेमाल करो, फिर देखो काम किया तो रखो, नहीं तो फेंको. उसकी तुम्हारी जरूरत नहीं है, तुमसे उसकी जरूरत लगे तो रखो.
I genuinely feel that there is actually I believe. At the same time, I also, I try to, know your and different people's experiences, so that
let me tell you now. First of all, you have to learn how to take things in. Suppose your phone, you are recording.
Yeah.
Record.
Okay.
Let's do it. Some practice भी करेंगे.
Where is my cell? Okay, here is my cell, yeah.
Don't lose anything here. Later on, don't blame me. Baba,
Okay. Okay. You're asking me to?
Record.
Okay. I am recording something, yeah.
Har Har Mahadev. बोलो आप भी.
Har Har Mahadev.
Stop. Replay. What did the phone do now?
Record.
You also record. don't interfere the recording.
Yeah.
You are interfering the recording. I am talking, you are framing your next question. Missing this. Huh? Like ball, like क्या बोलते हैं, fielder missing the ball, catch. फिर वो ball आएगा, batsman मार सकता है.
No.
Even if he wants, he cannot.
No.
So don't miss. It's not that I don't use the words like pay attention. Pay attention is trained some.
Yeah.
The moment you pay attention, you cannot. 10 minutes के बाद सर दर्द करेगा.
That is what I'm actually at.
Learn to use your organs to the best level. Why you want? Suppose आपने ये phone लिया है, you have इसमें क्या है, ये जो YouTube है, वो है, ये है, net है, you are using it. इनको मामूली phone की तरह use करोगे, तो मामूली phone ही है.
Yeah, it is.
You know, use it like net. No net है इधर भी. उसका वो net जोड़ दिया, ये net खरीद के ला रहे हो, free में मिला ना, का भगवान से मिला है. Use it. Focus. सुन रहे हैं ना? सुनो. कुछ मत करो. जाने दो उसको भिगाओ. कभी आपने इडली खाया है?
Of course.
हाँ, इडली के लिए क्या करते हैं? दाल वगैरह भिगा के वो सब करके करते हैं. तुरंत पाउडर नहीं करते हैं. जो भीगने के बाद वो आसानी से होगा. हाँ, let the damn thing soak inside.
Okay.
What is yours will come out. That is yours. That will work for you. Let it over a period of time, you will learn surpassing the mind. It will go direct from whatever you call it, heart to heart, conscious to consciousness, or whatever it is. Mind here, I mean to say, is brain. Mind is different. Mind, consciousness, and self, these are all similar words for only one thing. So, brain. Brain is what is a biological computer. But this biological computer has the capacity to expand, contract. Expand contraction में कुछ होता है. All sadhana sadhana. Himalayan sadhana is the highest. Swami Yogananda, in his book Autobiography of a Yogi, which is world famous, with the highest sold one of the scriptures after probably Bhagavad Gita and all. तो उनमें से, and which is also an inspiration for many our young learned people to come into sannyas. तो वो किताब में वो लिखते हैं, एक दिन हिमालय का साधना बाहर एक साल का बराबर है. और 10 days if you do it in a cave, in Himalayan caves, outside 10 years. 10 years में इसको जो मिलेगा, मैं 10 दिन में खींच लाता हूँ. कैसा? So that by using your same thing जो है, उसको optimum use करो ना.
That's why I always be in present moment, you know. I don't even think about my past. Whatever happened, like it's okay. I don't even. Here I'll tell you.
Okay. If you are personal talk, no recording.
Okay, sure.
If you are too much in the present, you get lost in present. You need to be aware. You need to be aware. Otherwise, what happens? You are lost. ये बैग कोई ले जाएगा, फोन कोई ले जाएगा, सब इधर नहीं, कहीं बाहर है तो डरो मत, इधर कोई नहीं, don't worry, इधर कोई नहीं ले जाएगा. But it happens with me.
That is what I'm saying. It happens with me.
So
I'm too much in my present.
Going to consciously unconsciousness, very difficult. You must be unconscious, at the same time conscious about the unconsciousness also.
Exactly.
So that is, it comes by practice. It won't come, you read all the books in the world, you acquire all the degrees, एक IIT नहीं 10 IIT लो, 10 IIM लो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. तुम सिर्फ सोचते रहोगे, भ्रम में जाओगे, जब तक गुरु नहीं उतरेगा. जब तक तुम गुरु मन में नहीं मानोगे, तब गुरु खुद आएगा. अब कभी कभी गुरु आएगा, तुम्हारा जैसे में नहीं तो खो जाओगे. उनके भाग्य में क्या है कि हमारा गुरु जी जो कि लोगों को 30-30 साल वेटिंग में रखते हैं संन्यास देने के लिए, वो उसको बोले मेरे पास रहो, संन्यास देने के लिए मेरे पास तुम्हें जो भी चाहिए ले जाओ, मेरे पास आराम करो. उसको एक छोटी बच्चे की तरह देखे हैं, उनका आशीर्वाद. So I know his future is assured, will be fine.
So is he here?
I don't know. Once a person leaves a place, आप यहाँ से जाओगे, आप कहाँ आए बोले तो मैं क्या पूछूं? आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, घर जाओगे, कहीं जाओगे, पिक्चर जाओगे, घूमने जाओगे, काशी जाओगे.
Okay.
And then I tell you, in such states what happens is, Guru Krupaon se, they use their power to lift them out. You won't know, you are here, you are Gayab. You can be in Himalayas. These things happen in Junakhada.
This thing happens.
All these Naga Babas, where do you think they come from? All of them are okay. Some of us, the local Walas also go. But some of them appear. We also do not know where they are coming, where they are going. Only big position, like our Acharya Mahamandaleshwar ji, a big rank according to their rank. Because Junakhada is like armed forces of sannyas. You know this much? ये भी नहीं मालूम.
Yeah, I know that.
So naturally we are supposed to keep secrecies. समाज में सीक्रेट साधना, सीक्रेट वाला ने सीक्रेट साधना 10 years 10 साल के लिए भूल जाओ. अगर वैसे ही घूम रहा है इधर उधर तो 10 मिनट के बाद आके इधर बैठ सकता है. No, we do not know. What's the point in guessing and telling you?
Yeah, exactly.
Guru knows because he knows everything. He knows what is happening in ashram. But he won't tell. We won't ask. उन लोग हम सुनते हैं, हम उनको कुछ पूछ नहीं सकते. हमें कुछ चाहे तो पूछ सकते हैं, दूसरों के बारे में नहीं पूछते हैं. This is one of the basic rules.
Yeah, actually. And what is that sadhana in which that you can read someone's mind? This is so mysterious, or you can call it that that is the most. I'm so much interested or excited to know because I'm just like a kid and I genuinely.
So this is, you asked a smart question. When you know yourself, you will know everything.
Like.
So instead of focusing on the other, focus on yourself.
But I do that only.
See,
I seriously, I don't care about the world. I really don't.
Then it will happen. You will read. समझ में आ जाता है. समझ में आ जाता है.
I get the intentions, but I cannot read.
You will improve, बाबा. अभी प्राइमरी स्कूल में तुमको IIT डिग्री कैसा मिलेगा? थोड़ा आगे जाना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा समय, जिस चीज़ को आप समय डालोगे वो बढ़ेगा. अगर आपको ये चीज़ जानना है तो थोड़ा बहुत आस्था के लिए समय निकालना पड़ेगा. आई एम नॉट इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट कौन सा, आपका मर्जी. अपने पास कितना देवता है, कितना देवियाँ हैं, कितना मंदिर है, कोई गिन भी नहीं सकता है. तो आप आपका मर्जी, जहाँ आपको आनंद मिलता है वहाँ बैठिए. गुरुओं के पास, संतों के पास बैठिए. डोंट थिंक स्कूल भी नहीं गया, ये क्या हमको सिखाएगा. वो असली विद्या उसके पास है. माँ सरस्वती उसके पास बैठी है. ये हैव ए पीस ऑफ पेपर डिग्री. यू थिंक ये पेपर टुकड़े का, तो पेपर का टुकड़े, वो पेपर का टुकड़ा क्या करेगा? काम को तुमको करना पड़ेगा ना. तुम अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करो ना. आपको टुकड़ा फेंको, कोई प्रूफ पूछा तो दिखाने के लिए.
Exactly, actually. And I genuinely feel that those who actually reads our minds. So what is the technique? Like I'm so curious.
That is what I am telling you, Amma. You begin with yourself. Think, why my mind is doing this? Why my mind is asking me every day for a chocolate? I should not eat so much. You just check, observe, be a watcher. For a while, don't interfere with it. Let it flow. Make your mind fluid. Don't make it rigid. Don't say it is this way. It is that way. It is neither this way nor that way. It's a swing. Sometimes it's a roller coaster.
Yeah, sometimes.
So observe what's happening. Every part, every nut, every bogie. Slowly observe. Observe करने क्या है? आप 2-3 घंटा पिक्चर में बैठ सकते हो, तो आँख बंद करके अपने आप को देखो तो उसमें 2 मिनट.
But you know, at the same time, I also feel that I'm wasting my time.
तो फिर आपका मर्जी है.
No, I'm just telling my personal experience.
होता है बाबा, ये सब होता है.
At the same time, I also feel that I have wasted 3 hours observing myself. That I can.
So when you can observe yourself,
yeah.
उसका माइंड पढ़ना है तो पहले अपना माइंड पढ़ना सीखो. जब ये सीख लोगे तो वो भी सीख लोगे. वो भी माइंड ही है, और क्या है.
Okay. So I'm actually keeping myself as as an audience. Maybe जो मेरे अंदर जो भी queries है, that will discuss.
These are all childish inquisitiveness. वो हर एक को होता है. आगे क्या होगा? अबे आपने क्या पढ़ा है मेरे को बताइए.
Pharmacy.
B Pharma. Very good. कितना साल? 4 साल वाला. 4 साल वाला. पहले दिन आपको क्या लगेगा? जब ये 4 साल जल्दी खत्म हो जाए, मेरी डिग्री मिल जाऊँगा, काम करूँगा, पैसा कमाऊँगा, मैं करूँगा. नहीं तो आगे हॉस्टल में रूम मिलेगा, बाहर रूम में खाना क्या मिलेगा. वो सब होता है. आराम से होने दो ना. पिक्चर चल रहा है, चलने दो ना. क्यों डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो उसको? जो चल रहा है एक्सेप्ट एज इट इज. जो है उसको एक्सेप्ट करोगे, बिकॉज एज इट इज हैज बीन क्रिएटेड बाय हिम. ही इज नॉट ए फूल. You cannot be more intelligent than him.
Yeah,
you can be equal. You can be equal to him with his grace. He will bring. If you are honest, if you seek him, you will available.
Yeah, he'll call me as.
You see for yourself. He may not appear as he.
Okay.
He can appear in any form. Because as he, you cannot see.
Okay.
Because the whole thing will vanish. Because he is so powerful. उनका बनाया हुआ एक छोटा सा इतना सा सूर्य भगवान. वो नहीं तो धरती नहीं है. पूरा प्लैनेट्स नहीं है. 9 गैलेक्सी कोलैप्स हो जाएगा. एंड उसको 10 मिनट तुम देख नहीं सकते हो. देखे तो आग बुझाएगा. और उसका क्रिएटर को देखोगे, ब्रह्मांड का क्रिएटर कहाँ से देखोगे? भस्म हो जाओगे. तो दूसरा रूप में आएगा. ठीक है?
Yeah, actually.
Other, you have pets at home?
No, yeah, I used to have it, but
Keep a pet and practice with that. How inter क्या बोलते हैं स्पेसिस लैंग्वेज. देखो वहाँ पे आप है ना हिंदी बोलोगे ना अंग्रेजी बोलोगे तो उसमें देखो उससे बात करने का यू यूज़ इट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट्स ए कॉन्शियस फ्रॉम माइंड टू माइंड ऑब्जर्वेशन और ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तो उसको मालूम हो जाएगा. उसके पास गाड़ी नहीं है, आप 4 बजे दूध देते हो तो पक्का 4 बजे आके उधर बैठेगा आपके पास. लेट हो गया तो आके बोलेगा भाई.
yeah, because that is a human clock.
Observe things. Use your eyes for observation.
Yeah, actually.
Don't use eyes for judgment, labeling. ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है, तो वो है, ये मेरा काम है, जल्दी काम खत्म हो गया तो घर जाऊँगा. नहीं, हर मोमेंट, हर पल को आनंद रहो. बीच-बीच में भगवान को भी लाते रहो.
Yeah, of course.
फिर देखो, slowly, धीरे-धीरे होगा माँ.
No, but seriously, you know, after talking to you, I am actually feeling so
अरे ऐसा
much.
कुछ नहीं है. There are, अरे बड़े से बड़े एक है. Which place are you from?
Kolkata.
Kolkata, okay, it's not far off.
I have been to Adiyogi. I have been to Adiyogi as well.
Me?
It's called Adiyogi.
No, I have not.
I have been there.
You've been there. Very good.
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling.
Yeah.
They give you the courses, you remember. That is, you know, it has been designed for youth that are always doing a damn good job. Apart from his service to environment, so many things he's doing. So उसमें that has given you a base. Use it. आप कोर्स कर लिया और सर्टिफिकेट ला के रख लिया तो क्या काम आएगा मेडिटेशन कोर्स. वो कंटिन्यू करो ना. आदियोगी के पास कुछ सीखे होंगे. Practice it. That's enough.
No, I have actually, you know, built all these things, consciousness, all my self-awareness and self-consciousness actually came, I think, within. And, you know, I used to read some of the binaural beats that actually to keep...
Don't go into science too much, which affects the brain. Because neurochemicals, deformation is so dangerous.
Okay.
Okay, once in a while for fun, some intoxication may be okay.
Okay.
Because these days it has become
Yeah,
common.
sometimes because I'm so much busy in my work.
Don't let it cross a point where it damages your brain. Then gone.
Is it possible?
It is
100%.
possible. You have your fun, who is denying it? But see that. If the swing is too much, you will fall off. You lose the balance. At the same time, you cannot be static because कर्मा करना है, swing तो रहेगा.
Yeah.
अंदर static रह सकते हो ना. Try for the inner staticness. Inside you don't move. हम नदी में डूबते हो.
Yes.
अभी इसमें नहाए.
Yeah.
हाँ, सो जब आप अंदर जाते हो,
हाँ.
तो कुछ दिखता है, कुछ सुनाई देता है.
No.
हाँ, वैसा रहना. अंदर का स्टेट ऐसा रखो. जब बाहर आओगे, लहरा दिखाई देंगे, लोग दिखाई देंगे, सब होगा, ये होगा. ये बाहर का दुनिया को ऐसा रखो. बाहर. जब आप अंदर जाते हो तो अंदर बैठ जाओ बस. चुपचाप बैठने में क्या काम है जी. माइंड इधर जा रहा है, उधर जाने दो उसको. डोंट इन्वॉल्व. आप इन्वॉल्व करोगे तो तुम उसको खींचेगा वो तुमको. डोंट इन्वॉल्व. ए थॉट हैज कम अबाउट ए फ्रेंड. लीव इट. इट एंड्स देयर. बट इफ यू कंटिन्यू, वो फ्रेंड के साथ हम उस दिन ये किया, अरे उसके बर्थडे आ रहे हैं, उसका मैं वो करूँगा, देन यू आर गॉन.
I told you like earlier that I been too much.
See, this talking is not going to help. हम दोनों ऐसा बैठ के 20 साल भी बात करेंगे, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. प्रैक्टिस करो.
Exactly.
सद्गुरु से जो सीखा है प्रैक्टिस करो.
No, I have not learned. I just told you that.
धीरे
Exactly.
धीरे. Don't be in a hurry.
The self-awareness comes within. Like everything is just coming. Like all the things, just whether it could be consciousness, my subconscious mind, and you know all.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That is what I am saying. Don't get mixed up with diagonally opposite things. We are talking about this was subconscious, conscious, and all the latest books. They are not pramanic. Maybe Bible is pramanic for Christians. Bhagavad Gita is pramanic for Hindus. At least it has got some validity. Whereas उनके लिए कोई प्रमाणिक. Everybody एक किताब. आजकल तो और आसान हो गया. You can dictate books. I have also written some books. But not on my name, so I won't tell you. Because I told the fellow, you can use your name, you publish, you do whatever it is. I have nothing to do with royalty, so I am not supposed to tell you.
May I know the book? The name of
बाद में आप सभी ने confuse हो जाओगे.
Okay, sure.
Therefore, suppose that is degree syllabus. अब primary school class में जाकर वो दिया तो क्या करेगा? फाड़ के पैकेट बनाएगा. So wait, learn waiting. Life is a waiting game. You are born, you learn to wait for the call back. ठीक है?
Yeah, exactly. But that's fantastic, conversation with you, sir.
अरे
and
कुछ
I-
नहीं है, you know all these things already. कुछ
Yeah,
नहीं
but-
है. I have not told you anything that which you already do not know.
seriously, it's
ये सब
really
तुमको
very
मालूम है,
nice.
मेरे से ज़्यादा मालूम है. अब बड़ा डिग्रियाँ हैं, बी फार्मेसी वगैरह पढ़े. कुछ नहीं है, प्रैक्टिस करो बाबा, प्रैक्टिस करो. जितना टाइम मेकअप में लगाते हो भगवान में लगाए तो अब तक बोले ना था कि आपको क्या चाहिए बोलता. ऐसा करो.
No, but it really means
हाँ, मैं
a
इसका
lot.
मतलब ये नहीं कि we करो,
no,
but
but seriously-
balance the time.
Yeah, actually. It's really very nice.
हाँ, आप कहीं भी कंजूसी करो, पैसे में कंजूसी करो, हर चीज़ में. भगवान के बारे में कंजूसी मत करो, क्योंकि वो बगैर वो कंजूस में वो कितना दे रहा है.
Exactly.
एवरीथिंग ऑल देयर फ्री ऑफ कास्ट. अब थोड़ा सिक हो गया तो वेंटिलेटर के लिए कितना कास्ट होता है रोज को 10,000 के हिसाब से. अब तक कितना करोड़ों का हवा ले चुके हैं हम उनका.
बिल्कुल.
एंड द इनर सिस्टम आर यू वर्किंग. हम जाके की दे रहे रोज हार्ट को, की दे रहे माइंड को. दे आर वर्किंग ऑटोमेशन. इट्स फर्स्ट PLC
Yeah,
automated
exactly.
system.
So everything, every single air, every single
So
thing
observe
is a
that.
blessing.
Observe that at micro level, the dust में देखो. Look at it night sky में देखो, at macro level, galaxial level, astronomy वगैरह पढ़ो.
From the atomic level to micro, molecular level.
Molecular, subatomic
To
level.
this universe.
हाँ, वो जो भी है, whatever it is, सब एक ही है. वो दूसरा कुछ है ही नहीं.
Yeah, actually, that is what I want to, एक self awareness and awakening ये जो चीजें हैं, I actually felt so good and it is really very very.
But
very
don't do it haphazardly.
Yeah, I will not do
If
it.
you do it haphazardly, it can
maybe
destroy
it-
you also.
It will mix match and it will
You
drain
need
sometimes.
You need a guru. Which guru you find your choice. जो गुरु अच्छा लगता है उनके साथ जाओ.
Okay.
और गुरु रहना जरूरी है.
Is it important?
It is important not because of the person,
Because
because of the consciousness of गुरु तत्व. गुरु तत्व से आता है. तत्व में बहुत बड़ा है.
is it important to
It is like आपका पैसा बैंक में है, मगर कोई भी ATM से आ जाता है. पैसा आप समझते ATM से आ रहे हैं, ATM में है, ATM में नहीं है, आपका अकाउंट में है. इसी हिसाब से उसका अकाउंट में है, वो देगा.
Okay.
He is like have you seen circus?
Yes.
सर्कस में ट्रेपीज करते हैं ना.
Yes.
ट्रेपीज करते वक्त क्या करते हैं नीचे पहले.
They assume that everything is fine or
कब देखा सर्कस तूने.
it's been
पहले नेट बांधते हैं.
Okay.
चारों तरफ नेट बांधते हैं. देन स्विंगिंग जंपिंग ऑल दैट हैपेंस, ट्रिपल जंप एंड ऑल
Yeah.
दैट, ताकि वो गिरे तो हड्डी ना टूटे.
Exactly.
एक
But
गुरु,
they have
एक
that-
गुरु
that
वो काम
balance.
करेगा. गुरु बिना सर्कस करोगे टूटेगा ही टूटेगा. फिर बाद में रोगे. हाँ तो छोड़ दीजिए यार मेरे को, मैं सोना है यार मेरे को.
हम भगत हैं, हम कोई वो नहीं बना.
हाँ,
हम
छोड़
तो बस ये जानना चाहते हैं.
But really, guys,
एक
it
घंटे
is
से हम कुछ बोल नहीं
not
पाए,
that
सब
I'm
आपको
just
ये सब
saying
बच्चे,
कि
ये सब
उनके साथ मिलके मुझे अच्छा लगा. ये मैं वीडियो के लिए नहीं बोलना चाहती हूँ. I
हम क्यों
genuinely
मानेंगे
felt
जब तक
so
हमारा
good.
बड़ा गुरु है.
उन्होंने
हम
मुझे
अधिकार नहीं है आपको
ये
बोलने
भी
का.
रियलाइज कराया है कि एटॉमिक लेवल से कि हम लोगों को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट क्या क्या मिला है. We are absolutely alright in a state of mind that you are watching my video because क्योंकि आप लोगों ने चूज किया है मुझे because you find something informative or something interesting, इसलिए आप लोग अभी मुझे देख पा रहे हो. That is also a blessing that you are absolutely alright and you are just watching. Think as if कि जिन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होती है मतलब अपनी बॉडी के लेवल पे या फिर किसी ना किसी चीज़ की, you guys are so lucky and you self awareness की हम लोगों ने बातें की है. अभी आप लोगों को मेरा ये
क्या
video
जा रहा है,
कैसा
जल्दी
लगा?
बोलो.
आप लोग मुझे
एक अलग
comments में जरूर
एक अलग
बताएं.
पुतला बना के पूरा
Soon
सीखा, अर्जुन से बढ़
another
गया.
one. And if you haven't
मन
yet
में है तो
subscribed
बस
to the
है यार.
channel, do it. And
मगर
hit the bell
पर्सनली अवेलेबल तो
notification
मन में
if you
क्यों.
like.
जहाँ संत नहीं है वो लोग
And
क्या
अपने
करेंगे,
queries
फोटो
आप
रख के
लोग
पूजा
मुझे
करेंगे.
comment
जब आपके
करना
पास
ना
मिल रहा है तो घर के
भूलें.
आसपास
See you
कोई
for
ना
the
कोई
next
मिल
one.
जाएगा.
हर हर महादेव.
आपको खोजते खोजते